Hello guys, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting fresh with daily post market analysis videos. So this was the explanation done to my students, but let's learn how you could have implemented trades today and how you could have made money from today's market. So if you have watched my previous videos, in my previous videos what I have said is, to execute a trade you need two things. You need a high of the range and you need the low of the range. Okay, so now how is the high and the low of the range are formed? When you have a bearish breaker and you have a bullish breaker, that is when you have high of the range and the low of the range. Once you identify that, when you draw fibs from top to bottom, this becomes a premium zone, this becomes a discount zone to execute sell trades over here, to execute buy trades over here. That's the basic understanding of ICT concepts. Okay, so we are doing this analysis on, most important thing is 15 minutes chart, so that we can find intraday trades every single day. Okay, there are some days where we are not going to have trades, there are some days we are going to have multiple trades. So first of all, important thing is selecting UTC -5 New York as your base time and having this 2 AM opening price, London price and New York price. So the basic thing here is that we are going to sell above the 2 AM opening price and buy below the 2 AM opening price. But here you can see price is below the opening price, and if we place any buy orders we are going to lose our money because the price has fallen down and down. Same thing goes to New York session. If I mark the New York session opening price, we sell above the opening price, we buy below the opening price, but price is going below the opening price, and if we place our buy orders we are constantly losing the money. So how do we stay away from these losses and how do we execute our trades? That is what we are going to learn. Okay, so now what happens over here, when you see before London open starts, price is going higher, low, higher high and lower low. What does price creates? Price creates a bearish breaker. Price creates a bearish breaker. Let me do it red so that it is easy to understand. But what happens? Price is coming down like this. It is coming down. Over here, where do you see a bullish breaker? Where do you see a bullish breaker formations? There is no bullish breaker formations. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Here you have a bullish breaker. Here you have a bearish breaker. Here you have a bullish breaker. Now what do you have? You have low of the range and you have high of the range. You have low of the range, you have high of the range. Now if you want to enter a bullish trade over here, if you want to enter any bullish trade over here, what do you need? You need sell side liquidity first before price decides to go higher. So if you want to take any sell executions over here, what do you need? You need a buy side liquidity first and then go down. Simple. So now what has happened over here? Price has just fallen down. Price took the sell side liquidity. After the low of the range is formed, after the high of the range is formed, price took the sell side liquidity. But has it gone up? Nope. So 15 minutes range identification is 15 minutes breaker and breaker identification is the format of identifying the dealing range. But for execution purpose, what do we need? Execution purpose, we need slower time frame, bullish and bearish breaker to execute. Here on 3 minutes time frame, what you guys can see, once the liquidity was taken, you have low, high, lower low, but no higher high. The high of this bullish candle was not broken and price kept on going down and down. Definitely if you go on 1 minute chart, here you're going to have a bullish breaker, and here you, after 50% retracement, this is going to be a buy trade and you are going to target this highs or this highs. That's what you're going to do. But let me tell you, the lower the time frame you go, the risk increases. The higher the time frame you stay, you are avoiding the risk. Why? Because the bullish formation has not happened over here. There is no bullish breaker. Low, high, lower low, no higher high, no bullish breaker, but bullish breaker is available on 1 minute chart, not on 3 minutes chart, and that is how you save yourself, not execute this bullish trade and let the price fall down. Now when the price is falling down, what you can see, low, high, lower low, higher high, right? When you draw this fibs, 50% retracement, and this becomes your bullish entry. What is your target? This is your target. Now let me tell you, this is not the right entry. Why? Because it is outside of our trading zone. So if you had to take any trades within this yellow and green area, there are no trades, no trade available. So there was no trade day in London session. In New York session, you did not get any entry, but at the end of New York session, here you have entry, which is price is going higher and higher now. How price will behave, we will learn later. Initially, you saw me entering a sell trade over here. Why sell trade over here? Which was shared in our group. Okay, so that can be done based on 1 hour chart. If you go on 1 hour chart, logic stays the same. Okay, logic stays the same. The logic is low, high, lower low, higher high. Okay, high, low, higher high, lower low. We have a bearish breaker, sorry, a bullish breaker, a bearish breaker, price taking liquidity. Once the price has took the liquidity, what do you have over here? You have high, low, higher high, lower low, 50% retracement, and sell execution. And sell execution over here. What is the target? If you're selling at the high of the range, your target is the low of the range. Where, okay, so this was the basic understanding of how to use my strategy in day-to-day life. If you want to learn this in depth, if you have watched this video till now and liked the way I have taught you and want to learn these concepts in depth, you can contact me on my Telegram below. Join my mentorship for a small fee, not a $1,000 fee, not a $500 fee, not a $100 fee, a small fee, so that I can teach you my experience and you can kickstart your trading journey. So see you guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends so that they can be helped with the knowledge I'm sharing in these videos. Good night, guys.